Hello and welcome to this Fitech screencast. Today we'll be looking at some of the medical reports within the system. So the first thing you need to do is log on as at least an operator or an administrator and then load somebody up. I've loaded this particular individual up, so we'll go to the medical tab and you can see there's a variety of different tests or assessments that you can take. We're going to go to the cholesterol and blood sugar area, which is probably one of the most popular, and once we've arrived there you can see that we've got a tabbed interface here. Displaying the various tests and so on. The blood and cholesterol one is the most used, and if you've taken a test before it will show you the current readings here and any history of blood and cholesterol tests here. So what we'll do is we'll click on add new cholesterol test. That loads up today's date, and then I'll just go in and put some values in. If I put something in that's ridiculous, the system knows that and tells you what you should be putting in, or the range. HDL I'll put in 3, and then you will get a message when you go to the next field that will tell you that it can calculate LDL, since a lot of equipment doesn't in fact measure this, and it's based on an algorithm. So that's inserted in there. You can put some notes in here. It's not compulsory, I won't bother. So I'll click on add readings, and then that will update the latest readings here and add another test down on the right hand side. We don't have a blood sugar reading, so I'm going to add one of those again, today's date, and I'll put in a value. Again, you can put some notes in there if you want, and click on add readings, and then it presents the test that you've just taken there. You can go back and you can edit these at any time if you've made a mistake. There is a standalone report which will just run, so I'll click on that, and that should render the report fairly quickly, which it does, and it renders it to PDF. And as always with PDF, it will open up in the Adobe interface. If it's Internet Explorer, it will open up embedded within the inline window here. If it's Firefox, it may well open up in a completely different browser or within Adobe Reader software on your desktop. You can of course send the report as an email, or you can save it to your local system, or you can print it, or do anything else that you wish to do with, as long as you've got the relevant controls within Adobe shown. And that's all there is to it, so I'll just close that down. Now before I sign off, we'll just have a quick look at the urinalysis one, and you can see there that we've got a couple of different tests. Again, like the cholesterol one, it shows you the current urinalysis readings for the individual, and again you can go and update those readings if you need to and run a report. And that's a very basic report. Both urinalysis and cholesterol and blood sugar tests will display on the individual report if you select them, and that's really all there is to it, and that's all I want to talk about today. Thank you for watching.